We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. It's not for you, Gucci. You can't move. Dang, move. I got my UGG / Telfar times Telfar collab bag that I ordered back in November when they Gucci. The plastic is not for you, bro. Move. Gucci be wanting me to whoop him, so I don't whoop my dog. But good God, move, Gucci, here. Oh my gosh. So yes, I got my Telfar collab bag. I got it in the mini. I believe, let me look how much this was. I already took it out the box. I'm sorry, not through the box out, y'all. I forgot. I don't know if y'all like to see people actually open the box. But our Telfar mini was $209.09. I ordered it back on November 30th. I think it came, when did it come? It came 10 days ago, so it's been a little bit. Okay, it came on April 9th, which was faster than I thought because it said like it could be delivered in the summer, so I had no idea when it was going to be delivered. I am a fan of the mini bags. I don't really do the bigger bags because it's not really my thing. Like, I like bigger bags, but not Telfar bigger bags. It's not really my cup of tea or cup of wine, glass of wine. So this is what it looks like or whatever. Let's see, it has warning on here, suffocation. I wish I would have kept the box. The box is cute. So taking it out. Ooh, look at that. It is wrapped in tissue paper. It has a little Telfar little tag on it. Let's get it out the tissue paper. Somebody asked me to do this unwrapping, so I'm out. Grant your wishes, baby, like a genie. Alright. So it is the same size as the other small bags. It actually feels like a pair of Uggs, like the chestnut Uggs. This is gonna be cute in the winter when I pop my Uggs out or whatever. Cause I do wear Uggs when it's cold. I don't care. They're not fashionable, but baby, they warm. Okay, so it comes with a little dust bag, it looks like. And it says UGG / Telfar. It comes with like a little UGG here. Okay. Okay, comes with a little UGG thingy. So this is like genuine, like, same material that UGG uses, whatever material that is. I don't know what's in here. Maybe it was just like a filler. Is there more tissue? Okay, more garbage. More garbage, it looks like. Alright. Yes, I was right too. It was more garbage for me to keep away from my dog. So I will put that in the garbage bag so he doesn't get that because he tears everything up. There we go. Can't even help himself. You can't even help yourself, bro. Alright, so this is the inside of the bag. It's not filled with the like UGG fur stuff that comes on the inside of Uggs, but it is lined with it. This is the size of it. I don't know if I can stand up. Ugh. This is how it looks on. See, here we go. Here we go. Can't even help myself. Can't even help. So I would definitely wear this in the winter, for whenever I pop on my chestnut classic Uggs. I think it's really cute. I love how it feels just like the UGG material. If you missed this drop, you better pray and hope that they have another one. Because baby, I think they said that was the one and only drop. And y'all know the Telfar bags be selling out. I also got a Brandon Blackwood bag that I'm going to show you guys. It's not an unboxing because I already unboxed it weeks ago. But I will show you guys, okay? Just give me 1 second. Y'all, and just like that, Gucci has the garbage bag full of stuff. Gotta be quick with them. So this is technically an unboxing, but I didn't have my camera when this came in. So this is the Brandon Blackwood denim. Dang, Poochie, stop. The denim, 90s denim bag. I kind of like this more than Telfar bags. I ain't gonna hold y'all. So this is what it looks like. It says Brandon Blackwood right on the front. I think this bag was $100 and something. Let me see. And this is also a black business, a black luxury brand business. Let me see. Brandon Blackwood, New York. Okay, so it was, this is called the Kendrick, Gucci, the Kendrick Trunk 90s blue denim. I died for this bag because it goes with these Tom Ford heels that I pre-ordered. And honey, I'm going to do it, okay? Let me see. Shipment confirmed. Let me see how much it was. It was $168.31 after tax and shipping. Well, I guess taxes was included because the shipping was $8.31. So the bag is $160. It's a nice size. I'll open it for you guys. This is what the inside looks like. I haven't worn it yet because I'm waiting for them shoes to come in. It's the lock and key Tom Ford heels. Actually, let me show y'all. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Tom Ford lock. I don't feel like going through my email. Okay. The denim padlock. These ones, baby. I had to treat myself. Treat yourself, girl. That's what I tell myself. You know, I work hard and I can play hard. You feel me? I do have some other Telfar bags, but I put them in my last try-on haul video. I do like the Telfar bags, but I don't think I'm going to get any more. I do have plans on getting a couple more Brandon Blackwoods. I have died, y'all. I know exactly what bag I was going to get when it came, when he did the restock. I didn't even look at the other colors because it was going to be too much. It was going to sell out, so I just had to do what I had to do, baby. So, yeah, that is the Brandon Blackwood. I put the Telfar bag over there, and I don't feel like getting up to get it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to do an unboxing of, you know, some designer bags for y'all real soon. I got my eye on a couple of them, and I'm going to make it happen, Captain. Make sure you hit subscribe down below. Comment, like, share my video. Let me know what y'all want to see. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. You can follow me on Snapchat too. I don't really use that. Or at indiebomb.com. Turn on your post notifications if I didn't say that already. And peace out.